Well, it looks like Samsung's going to be finally announcing that foldable display this week. What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and it's time for Talking Tech Tuesday. First up, Pixel 3 owners could be getting some good news. Looks like Google has admitted and they're going to be sending an update for their RAM management issues. That's right, the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XLs had some issues when opening apps closing in the background. Even when you use the camera, it shuts down your music service like Spotify. So it looks like Google's going to send an update to fix this. Now, my question is, 4 gigabytes of RAM for that Google Pixel 3 XL? Is that enough or even fair to those phones that we have right now? They're getting as much as 8 or even 10 gigabytes of RAM. OnePlus? But anyway, hopefully that update will fix the issues and you'll have a smooth sailing Pixel 3 XL. Looks like Samsung's finally going to announce the foldable display. That's right. So this device is going to be announced at their developer conference on November 7th, tomorrow, Wednesday. That's right. And this looks like, the reports are that Samsung Electronics has confirmed that the new phone's foldable display is finished. They also say that it will start mass production of the display. So how many of these will they make? Well, they say this month starting as many as 100,000 units per month, with an objective of making 500,000 to 1 million. This thing's gonna cost a whole lot of money. You think your iPhone XS Max costs a lot, or your Galaxy Note 9? Get your pocketbooks ready. This could be upwards of $1,800 to $2,200, I'm hearing. So save your pennies, because this could be a lot of money for a sandwich phone. Hey, OnePlus owners, did you pick up your OnePlus 6T? That's right. Well, guess what? It's coming out in Thunder Purple, but only in China. Don't know if it's going to come to the United States. That would have been perfect for T-Mobile, who's selling the Mirror Black one, 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte version for $580. OnePlus is selling the Mirror Black and the Midnight Black on their website. They have one for $549 and also $579 and $629. Check out the details down below. But it looks like that Thunder Purple is gonna be hot. I'm really enjoying the device. I'm impressed by the fingerprint in-display reader on this device. To me, it's a lot better functioning fingerprint reader than I thought it would be. So if you guys haven't checked out this device, make sure you go ahead and check this out. T-Mobile has them, which is awesome that T-Mobile is carrying this device. I think they're gonna sell a lot of them. I think a lot of people are gonna enjoy these devices. I've enjoyed it so far. It's been a really great device. And I got good news for you OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6T owners. Looks like they got a working night sight mode from the Pixel 3 camera from the Pixel phones that works on the OnePlus 6. Now, night sight is a great feature on the Pixel 3 cameras and the Pixel 2 camera that brightens up the night images at night, obviously, so it makes the images look much more clear. You'll be able to pick up more objects at night. So it looks like this could be a great feature for the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T. Now you could check out XDA. Looks like you can download the Pixel 3 camera app with this feature, but it looks like the T-Mobile version, not sure if it's crashing at the moment. So keep checking the XDA link down below to see if you could download this on your phone. But the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T has some great cameras, but this will make it even better. As we all know, the Pixel 3 port and the night sight mode was working on the Essential phone along with the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 3. And did you see the Nokia 9 Penta lens? That's right, 5 cameras. If you look at the back of the device, it has 7 circles in the back, 5 of them are cameras. One of them is a dual LED flash and the other one is a proximity sensor. So it looks like this device is also going to get the in-display fingerprint reader like the OnePlus 6T. It's going to have that Snapdragon 845 processor. Not sure how much this phone's going to cost, but it looks like it's going to be coming out in 2019. The Motorola One is coming to the United States for $399. Now this iPhone clone with that notch at the top is going to be packing that trusty Snapdragon 625 processor. You can pick this up at Best Buy. So it looks like this will be in stores as of November 11th. So make sure you check that out. Looks like a decent device, good price, gonna be running stock Android One software, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. If you like Motorola, not a big fan of Motorola, but this could be a decent device. And finally, check this out. If you like to party, Xiaomi's gonna have a big party in New York. That's right. They're gonna be having a party on December 8th. If you wanna check that out, they're gonna be hosting an event in New York. Time and location is to be announced, but you can come join the party and experience Xiaomi's latest and greatest products, along with meeting some of the team, special guests, and notable celebrities. Hey, maybe AndroidStud will be there. Just kidding. That'll do it for Talking Tech Tuesday. I'm AndroidStud. Follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you want to know what's happening in the world of tech. Also, check out my channel. I got the Pocophone OnePlus 6T, Note 9, Essential Phone, and many more. That's going to do it, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace.